Yo, what is up guys, it's Daniel Bernard again. And right now, I'm walking along what appears to be the old tracks that leads towards the tunnel. But I don't want to give the location of the tunnel to any of my people or views, because I don't want anyone going to the tunnel and ruining it. But if you want to explore the tunnel, you have to be careful. It'd be pretty dangerous. Okay? And also, be careful of lots of mud around. Because this track here, guys, like, and if you see down there, guys, it carries on for and if you look over here, guys, you can easily see like the foot of a mountain over there. And well, you'll be able to visit some abandoned tunnels yourself. And there it is, guys. I see something. The old tunnel. And there it is, guys. The old abandoned train tunnel. And look how big the tunnel is, guys. But I must warn you guys, do not go into that tunnel. It is very dangerous. Well, here we are, guys. We made it to the tunnel. Here it is, guys. Here is the tunnel. The old abandoned railway tunnel. If any paranormal activity, if anyone doing a paranormal will be able to visit this tunnel, alright? This is Daniel Tunnel Exploring Bernard saying, tunnel out.